Good morning. Today we are correcting CO53 with the vertical and corresponding angles. We had a long weekend, so we're going to do a quick review of what corresponding and vertical angles mean. If it is a vertical angle, it means that they share that vertex. And vertical angles are opposite of each other, and they are congruent. They are the same measurement. So if they share a vertex and they're opposite of each other, we know it's going to be same measurement. So if this was 150 degrees, below it's 150. And then we know that a straight line is 180 degrees. So if we know this is 150 degrees, the other part of that supplementary angles would be 30 degrees. Opposite of it is 30 degrees. So over here we have 82 degrees. Opposite of it is 82 degrees. And then supplementary, if one side is 82, the other side has to be 98. Supplement or opposite angles, vertical angles, this one must be 98. Then we have over here, I said think of this as two separate types of angles. So if we look at the top one, we have 155 degrees. Vertical angle, opposite of it will be 155 degrees. And then we have supplementary angles. 180 minus the 155 gives us 25 degrees. Vertical angle would be 25 degrees. On the bottom, we have 68 degrees. Vertical angle is 68 degrees. Supplementary, 68 and 112 degrees equals 180. So vertical, this one has to be 112 degrees also. Any questions on the vertical angles? So then we talked about corresponding angles. Corresponding angles with those parallel lines. So we have parallel lines. If we look at this and this angles, corresponding means in the top section, if it's on the upper right, I look down here to the upper right, those are congruent. They would be the same angle measurement. So if we went down here, we knew this one was 110 degrees. Vertical angle says this side is 110. Supplementary says this angle would be 70. So then if we look at the line on top, it's going to be the same. If this one was 110 degrees, the upper left is going to be 110 degrees. They are corresponding sides. Opposite is 110 degrees. Supplementary makes these 70 degrees. So if I look at these angles, and I look at these angles, they're going to be identical because they're parallel lines. So 110, 110. 110 down here, 110 down here. I could take these angles and put them right up on top, and they'd be exactly the same. So if we look over here, if I know this one's 52 degrees, vertical angles, this one must be 52 degrees. Supplementary, over here must be 128. So over here must be 128. Because 128 plus 52 equals that 180. All of these angles, if I picked them up and I put them on top of these angles, they're going to be identical. So where I saw 52 here, I see 52 here. 52, 52. Then the two across are 128, 128. So it's the exact same on each of the parallel lines. The angles are identical. Over on this one, we knew this was 99 degrees. So vertical angle would be 99 degrees. Supplementary, 99 plus 81 is 180. So these two are 81s. Corresponding angles on parallel lines means we pick up all of these angles and put them down here. They're going to be identical. 99 and 81 on top, 99 and 81 on top, 81, 99 on bottom, 81, 99 on bottom. So those corresponding angles are identical. So each parallel line is the same. Marina. Is that better? Any questions on the vertical angles and the corresponding angles? Liam, you cannot turn around anymore. Cameron, does it make more sense now? We can't just pick random numbers. We always have to look, is it a supplementary? Is it complementary? Are they vertical? And now we know about the corresponding. So if it's parallel lines, they're going to look identical. So if I can fill in the top section, I'm going to fill in that bottom section the exact same way. If you're watching this at home, I hope you are well, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.